Hi everybody, I'm Ava in Easy Learn Georgian, and today we're gonna learn 10 basic Georgian adjectives. After a long time of having no videos in my channel, I'm back and I'm going to start my activity with more energy. And I will be happy if you will comment me that what you want to learn and what you need to learn in Georgian. So I will manage to make videos about the topics that you want. So before starting today's lesson, please make sure that you have your notebooks and pens with you here, and you will just write down everything that I will teach here. Okay? Thank you. Okay, today's topic is 10 basic Georgian adjectives that we will need it on everyday life, as I think, and I'm sure about it. So, let's start. I will just get my also pen here so I can write all details on the page. The first one is DD. As you know, we have alphabets lessons in my channel, and you can learn alphabet in 3 lessons, in 3 videos that I have already posted in my channel, and you can check them out and learn from this. So, the first word is DD. 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 DD means big. I prefer to just write by my hand because it will be more interactive. If I just write it here, and if you read, it's not so interactive. And I prefer to make my YouTube videos as my lessons, as my online lessons that I have that are more interactive, that I write everything down here. And I think it's more interesting. And I would like to know your opinion also about it. Okay, the first one is Didi. Didi means big. So let's see the example that we have got here. Es sakhli didiya. Es sakhli didiya. Es sakhli. Es means this. And sakhli means house. Es sakhli didiya means this house is big. So we have add and a at the end of it, and this is the short form of aris. Aris means is. Okay. Es sakhli didia means this house is big. We can also say es sakhli aris didi or es sakhli didi aris. But this is es sakhli aris didi is more common, I think. But everyone just uses the short form, and also the short form of Aris and the topic. This topic is also in my channel, and you can see and learn from that. It's a very easy topic. So that's it. As for our first adjective. So, okay, let's go for the next one. This is a ra. A-a-ra. Atara. A-a-ra. Atara means small. Atara. Atara. I will also mention one thing that as in English, in Georgian, we use adjectives before the subject. For example, Atara chanta. Chanta is bag. Chanta. Okay. Atara chanta. A small bag. Atara, for example, telepony. Telepony is telephone. Atara telepony, small phone. Okay. Let's see the example here. Me atara mankana miqvars. მე პატარა მანქანა მიყვარს. მე means I. პატარა მანქანა. Mankana is car. Mankana მიყვარს. I like or I love. მიყვარს is more like love. I love. I love. Just pay attention that it's not as English that we say I love small car. It can be. We can say მე მიყვარს პატარა მანქანა. And also we can say მე პატარა მანქანა მიყვარს. Both are correct. There is no strict rule about it. მე პატარა მანქანა მიყვარს or მე მიყვარს პატარა მანქანა. მე მიყვარს means I like, I love. მე მიყვარს პატარა მანქანა. I love small car. That's it. So we had დიდი, which means big, and პატარა, which means small. Let's go for the next one, and you may know this one. I think everyone knows this, but I put. And let's check. This is argi. 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 Argi means good. Argi. Argi. And we also have a word. Argad. Argad. Which we use it for just saying goodbye, which means that have a good day, have a good one. It means like this, have a good one. So, კარგი, good, კარგი. Let's see the example. დღეს, დღეს means today. კარგი, დღეა. დღეს, კარგი, დღეა. დღე means day without s. Day. And when we have, look, when we have დღეს, this means today. This is just the difference between this. დღეს means today. დღე means a day. დღეს კარგი დღეა. Today is a good day. And this is არის. The short form of არის. დღეს კარგი დღეა. Today is a good day. დღეს კარგი დღეა. Okay, let's go for the next one. The next one is ცუდი. ცუდი. ცუდი means bad. ცუდი. The spell is like this. ცუდი. ცუდი. Bad. Let's see the example. ეს ფილმი ცუდია. ეს ფილმი ცუდია. ეს ფილმი means this film. ცუდია is bad. Okay? Here also is a short form of ars. Okay? ეს ფილმი ცუდია. ეს ფილმი ცუდია. This film is bad. ეს ფილმი ცუდია. So, let's go for the next one. ახალი. 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 ახალი means new. ახალი. ახალი. მე ახალი ტელეფონი მაქვს. მე ახალი ტელეფონი. ახალი ტელეფონი means new phone. New phone. Max means I have. I have. მე ახალი ტელეფონი მაქვს. მე ახალი ტელეფონი მაქვს. Max means I have. მე მაქვს. For example, do you remember what was good day. Remember? Good day. Კარგი დღე. I can say I have a good day. მე კარგი დღე მაქვს. დღეს კარგი დღე მაქვს. Mhm. Got it? დღეს კარგი დღე მაქვს. I will write it here also. Mhm. დღეს კარგი დღე მაქვს. დღეს კარგი დღე მაქვს means I have a good day today. Mhm. That's it. Let's go for the next one. This is dzveli, dzveli. I will write the pronunciation also. Zveli. Zveli means old. Zveli. Zveli means old. Let's see the example. Es sachli zvelia. Es sachli. Sachli means house. Do you remember from this first slide, as I remember? Es sachli, this house. Zvelia. Zveli means old, and we already know that when we add at the end of the sentence means ours. So, es sachli zvelia. This house is old. Es sachli zvelia. That's it. I think it's clear. Let's go for the next one. The next one is lamazi. Lamazi. Lamazi, which means beautiful. Lamazi. Lamazi. Let's see the example that some boys can use it for some reasons. Shen zalian lamazi khar. Shen zalian lamazi khar. Shen means you. Shen khar means you are. Shen khar. Zalian lamazi means so beautiful. Shen zalian lamazi khar. Or we can also say Shen khar zalian lamazi. But it's more common to use this form, that zalian lamazi khar. We can also, we're free to just delete Shen, because khar already means that it's about the second person. It means it's you are. So, Zalian lamazi khar means you're so beautiful. Or Zalian. Wait, I want to use something. Lamazi bichi khar. Lamazi bichi khar. Okay, I will just write it. Lamazi bichi khar, or lamazi gogo khar. So, lamazi bichi means beautiful boy. It means that you are a beautiful boy. Bichi, bichi, boy. Gogo means girl. It's so big. Okay, I will write it here. Lamazi gogo khar means you're a beautiful girl. Lamazi bichi khar. You're a beautiful boy. And also, a sentence that is very common. They say that you're a good boy, you're a good girl, means კარგი ბიჭი ხარ. კარგი ბიჭი ხარ. კარგი ბიჭი ხარ. Do you remember that we learned კარგი? So, we can use it like კარგი ბიჭი ხარ. You're a good boy. კარგი გოგო ხარ. You're a good girl. That's it. I think it's clear. Okay, let's go for the next one. This is one of the words that I think we need I hope we won't need, but sometimes it's needed. Zviri, zviri. Zviri means expensive. Mhm. Zviri means expensive. Let's see the example. Here is an example. Es mankana. Mankana? Do you remember what was the mankana? Mankana is car, yeah. Car. Es mankana zviria. Es mankana zviria. We know this one. We are professionals in it. Es mankana zviria. This car is expensive. This car is expensive. Es mankana zviria. This car is expensive. Okay, that's it. Zviri. For example, I want to say it's so expensive. What can I say? Think about it and I will write then. Yes, we learned a very good word from the last slide, which is zalian, which means so much. Is zalian zviria. Is zalian zviria. It's so expensive. For example, I want to say, it's so expensive for me. Chemtvis means for me. Chemtvis, for me. Chemtvis. Chemi means my. Chemtvis means for me. Es chemtvis zalian zviria. Es chemtvis zalian zviria means this is so expensive for me. Es chemtvis zalian zviria. Es chemtvis zalian zviria. I hope you won't use these sentences in your life, but it's not bad to know. Okay, let's go for the next one. This is EAP. I hope we will all of us will use this word only and say yapia. Yapia. EAP means cheap. EAP. 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 Cheap. Let's see the example. Es bileti. Bileti is ticket. Bileti. Es bileti iapia. Es bileti iapia. Means this ticket is cheap. Okay, now I want you to think that how can I say this is cheap for me? How can I say? I will give you 5 seconds. Okay, what did you say? I will write it. I want you to try to read it and then I will read. Yes. Es chemtvis zalian yapia. Es chemtvis zalian yapia. It's so cheap for me. It's so cheap for me. So yapia means it's cheap. That's it. Okay, let's go for the last adjective. And I hope that you always be like this. Bednieri. Bednieri. Bednieri means happy. Bednieri. Bednieri. Happy. Bednieri. Me bednieri var. Me bednieri var. Means I am happy. Me bednieri var. I am happy. That's it. I hope that you always be bednieri. Okay. That's it for our today's lesson for this video. and I hope everything is clear. But if you have got any questions, feel free to ask me in comments, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And also tell me which topics are you interested in, and I will post more in these topics that will be useful for you. And I'm always open for any recommendations from you. And that's it. Have a nice day. Bye.